In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to suppress Klaviyo lists and segments and the limitations you need to know. Let's get started by logging into your Klaviyo account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Audience tab. This is your go-to place for managing contacts in Klaviyo, and from there you'll want to select Lists and Segments. It's important to find your way around this section as it houses all your contact organization tools. Now you need to find the specific list or segment that you want to suppress. Take a moment to carefully review the names and details to ensure you're selecting the correct one. This step is crucial because suppression only applies to the list or segment you choose, and once set, it will impact all the profiles contained within it. Once you've located the right list or segment, it's time to access the Action menu. You'll usually find this as 3 dots or a gear icon positioned next to the list or segment name. Click on this menu and a set of options will present itself. Look for the option that says Suppress Current Members. Selecting this will begin the suppression process for all contacts within that specific list or segment. A confirmation pop-up might appear. In this pop-up, you'll see an option to bulk suppress. Go ahead and click on it to confirm that you want to proceed with this action. This step is irreversible, so double check before you click just to make sure this is what you intend to do. It's critical to understand the impact of suppression. Suppressing profiles affects their ability to receive emails, but it does not impact SMS messages or push notifications. If your communication strategy relies on multiple channels, you'll need to adjust your approach accordingly. The key takeaway here is that you're controlling the email contact avenue. Other forms of communication remain intact unless you take specific action on those channels as well. When it comes to managing your lists and segments, suppressing profiles is generally recommended over deleting them. This allows you to maintain a historical record of the profiles. Keeping this history can be valuable for analyzing past interactions, or if you decide to lift the suppression at a later date. Suppression is a safer alternative that affords you the flexibility of re-engaging with the contact without losing important data. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively suppress lists and segments within Klaviyo, preserving critical contact history while managing your communication strategy. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials to unlock the full potential of Klaviyo and enhance your marketing efforts.